'cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give
basketball player, and I want to make some adjustments non-destructively. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag the background layer over this little icon that is directly to the left of the trash can down here in the layers palette. And that is to create a new layer. So if I click and drag and then hit release, it will copy that layer. Alright, so now I can make any changes I want without making mistakes to the underlying layer. So I'm going to, and I'm going to hit image, and I'm going to hit desaturate. There we go. Hit saturate. Now the beauty of this is that now I can still have the original image. All I have to do is turn off this top layer. And then, there he is. He's in color. Nope, he's in black and white. And this allows you to make those changes, without losing the original. So if I actually wanted to do a few things unique to this image, let's say I just want to hit to make him be the only thing that's black and white. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to use this object selection tool, which actually used to take forever to do this in Photoshop because this tool didn't exist until the most recent release of Photoshop. So this is really, really handy, and it just, once you release it and allow the artificial intelligence to take over, it will select everything in your photo. And what was really challenging before was when you had images of people with like blowing hair or things like that, that made it really, really hard to actually select that person. That became really, really challenging. So now I'm going to hit unmask, and you will see what you can do with that. So see, now I've adjusted him and I've made him be in black and white on top of this really funky background layer that exists. And if I wanted to invert that, I think there's actually a way to do that. I don't know how to do that off the top of my head, but anyways, so that is how you can do that, and it is super fun. And another thing that you can do is if I zoom in, see how like these edges are not quite perfect. So if I wanted to make adjustments to that, I could do that. I can just paint that on a little bit more accurately, if you will. And this allows for a lot more control over your image editing, and you won't lose the original image that you were messing with. So anyways, that's really quick how to do non-destructive image editing. Now you could have worked with the sponge photos that you've already done for your class assignments, where I had you increase the saturation with the sponge tool. You could have done those photos, or like that adjustment non-destructively. There's a lot of adjustments that you can make to the top layer, and it really doesn't matter. I didn't care what you wanted to do. If you wanted to do it like super sloppy like that, sometimes that actually adds like some unique interest to your image. So that's cool if you wanted to do that, and just hit submit. I'm good with that too. So anyways, I just wanted you to learn that technique because it will really serve you very well. Don't forget, the first thing that you do when you open an image in Photoshop is you hit Control J for non-destructive image editing. Thank you. Have a great day.